We are now in Caye Caulker, the best diving site in all of Belize. This is where I would be earning my open water diving certificate. Because Zara and my mom last dove over 2 years ago in Greece, they had to take a refresher course before being allowed to dive in open water.
Okay, we're currently on the boat. Me and Mommy just did like a quick refresher. Not the full course yet, that's why we're going out to test it on water. And Daddy's gonna come with us and go snorkeling and stuff like that.
They now have finished the refresher course, and now are going for their first dive in open waters. While they did that, I was at the dive center, watching a 5-hour-long safety guide before I was allowed in the water.
How's it going?
One challenge
Like it?
divers sometimes face is how to stay involved with diving. The dive community.
After all that, I was finally allowed into the ocean. I was learning alongside 2 other people, and the 3 of us started our confined water exercises. The water here is incredibly clear, even comparable to when we went snorkeling in Sardinia. The only thing better about here is that there's actually fish. Back on my mom and Zara's side, they are now swimming with nurse sharks and stingrays.
Right?
Apologies for the shaky footage, though there's no way we were gonna hide this amazing footage of all these sharks and rays. While they were doing that, I began my first ever open water dive. I was 20 meters below the surface while my dad was filming above while snorkeling. I was now done with earning my open water diver certificate. Now I can join my family to explore the beautiful reefs of Caye Caulker. If you'd like to support us on our expedition journey down south through Central America, please consider subscribing and sharing this to someone you think might like it. We'll see you next time in Guatemala.